Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about joins in SQL Server. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI Index, and also SQL Server integration services. Now we'll go to the Power SQL Server maintenance today. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing already I have prepared the script, so I'll try to explain each and every step. Okay, so for today's demo purpose I'm using two tables. One is test1 table, another one is test2 table. So we'll try to execute and we'll see so what data it contains. Okay, in this table I have one column, and in this table also I have one column only. So first we'll try to execute one by one. So I'm creating the table, just click on execute. So table has been created successfully. Now I will try to insert some sample data. Just click on execute. So data also inserted successfully. Now I'm trying to execute the second table also. Just click on execute. Okay, table has been created successfully. Now also we'll try to insert the sample data also. Just click on execute. Okay, so far we have created two tables and also we have inserted so sample data for those two tables. Now we'll try to write a select statement for the joins on them. So in today's demo purpose, so I'm just discussing types of joins like a inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join, and also cross join. Okay, so we'll try to see. First of all, we will fire a select statement and we'll understand whether data has been inserted successfully or not. We'll try to see first. Select star from test1. Okay, so and also we'll try to fire a second table also. Select star from test2. Okay, so now I'll try to execute. Now you can see that so this is the first table, this is the second table. In the first table, so we have 1 2 3 4 6 null value. Okay, in the second table also 1, but here so 2 has been repeated twice. Okay, 3 4 5 null value. Okay, so if I do the inner join between these two tables, so what kind of output we are going to get, we will try to see. So we'll try to write a joins. Select from test1. So I'm just giving alias name is as a inner join test2. I'm giving alias name b on a dot first is equal to b dot first. And also here also, so instead of keeping star, because star represents all the columns in the table, so always try to give the columns which you want to display as output, because in this case might be a single column only, but in reality maybe a table contains 100 columns, 200 columns, so it always good practice to give the columns instead of the star. Okay, so for today demo purpose I'm giving a dot first comma b dot second. Okay, now I'll try to execute the select statement. Now what output we are getting? So we are getting 5 rows. Okay, so what is meant by inner join? Okay, so in this query I'm using inner join. Inner join means what are the values between the table 1 and table 2, so only matching values will come as the output. So in this case, for example, if I run these two tables at once, now you can see that in these two tables what are the common values? So 1 1, okay, 2 2, but here so in the second table we have 2 value has been repeated twice, so that is reason we'll get 2 times. Okay, and 3 3 4 4. Okay, so here 6 is there, but in the second table there is no 6, but here 5 is there, so there is no respective value in the first table, so that is the reason 5 and 6 won't come as the output, and also null will not come for the inner join. So that is the reason we got finally 5 rows for the inner join. So okay, we'll try to execute one more time and we can validate whether it's giving correctly or not. So now we can verify. So as output we can see that 1 1 2 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the inner join. Inner join means only the common values between the both the tables it will come. So this is inner join. Same thing we'll try to implement for the left join and right join and also full outer join also. Okay, so I'm trying to take here also. I'll try to write a select statement. Select from, so test1, so giving alias left join test 2 b, and a dot first is equal to b dot second, and also a dot first comma b dot second. So this time I'm using the left join. So what is left join? Left join means, so from the left side whatever the table is there, we'll get all the records from the left table, and from the right table matching records will come. So for the unmatched records we'll get the null values. So what is meant by null values, we'll try to see by executing the output so that we can understand it clearly. So what kind of output you are getting if you use the left join. Okay, I'm just executing, just click on execute. Now you can see that, so whatever the values are available in the left table we are getting, see 1 2 2 3 4, so 3 4 6 null value. Okay, but if you notice here, so only these are the matching values from the right table. Okay, 1 2 3 4 only matching values. So non-matching records, unmatched values, we are getting the null value, right? So there is no 6 value in the second table, I mean right table. So that is the reason we got the null value. So same thing I'll try to implement for the right join also. So select from test1 test underscore 1 a right join, so test underscore 2 b. I'm giving alias because sometimes in real time so table names will be too lengthy, so that is the reason. So it always gives the alias names, that helps to, so whenever you want to refer the specific table column name in the select statement and all. So a dot first is equal to b dot second. Now also we'll try to write the column names also, a dot comma first, b dot comma second. Now we'll try to fire this statement also. So right join means, so whatever the records are available on the right side, so all the values come from the right table and only matching records come from the left table. From the unmatched records we'll get the null value. So I'll try to execute the select statement. Now you can see that in the last query we can see 6 here null, but this time I am using the right join. Right join means whatever the table is the right side, we'll get all the values from the corresponding left table, we'll get the matching records. For the unmatching records we'll get the null value. Okay, so there is no fifth value in the first table, it means that left table, so that is the reason we got the null value. Okay, and also we'll try to see the, so full outer join. Select from test underscore 1 a full outer join, so test underscore 2 b on a dot first is equal to b dot second, a dot first comma b dot second. Now I will try to see. So by executing query, so you will see the different results. Now I'm going to execute. Now you can see that, so full outer join means you will get left side records from the matching records from the left and right, as well as unmatching records from the both the sides. For example, if you notice here, so we're getting matching records from the left and right, and matching records from the left table and also right table. Okay, so we're getting all the records from the left side and right side by using full outer join. And also we'll try to see the final join, that is cross join. Select from test1 A, so cross join test underscore 2 B, so A dot first, B dot second. Okay, so I'm trying to execute this one by using cross join. Just click on execute. Now you can see that around 42 records are there. So why we are getting 42, I will explain. So cross join, how it is working means, so first table first record, it will be executed every row of the second table. So what is meant by that? Execution every row in the second table. For example, if I click and execute both the tables, we can see that first table 6 records, second table 7. Okay, 6 into 7, 42, right? So it means that first table first record will be executed for each row of the second table. Same thing, second record of the first table will execute every row of the second table. Like that, it will execute 42 times. So same output you are getting, 6 into 7 is 42. So likewise, so joins will work. So in the coming videos we'll try to see the more realistic examples. So basically for today's demo purpose, for the sake of interview, sometimes the interview, if you go for any interview, they used to give the so queries like they want to they will ask you, so can you please tell me what are the rows will get for the inner join, left join, right join. So that is the reason I have covered this scenario. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.